Hello students, today we will learn about working with Paint. Microsoft Paint, frequently called Paint or MS Paint, is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Let me share an interesting fact with you. Dragging the Paint icon to the desktop will create a shortcut to open Paint. Let us understand the features of Paint. We can use Paint for creating, editing, and printing pictures. With this program, we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, maps, etc. We can also use Paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Students, let me tell you the steps of opening Paint. Click on Start. Choose All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on Paint Program. We shall learn about using tools. We can work in Paint with the help of tools present in the Tools and Shapes group on the Home tab. To select any shape, move the mouse pointer to the tool in the Shapes group and click on it. Once the tool is selected, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the direction where you want to draw the shape. Let us learn how to use Shapes tool. Select any shape in the Shapes group. For example, click on Oval Shape tool. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Size to choose the line size, that is, thickness. Click on Color 1 to choose a color for the outline and select Yellow color. Click on the Color 2 to choose a color to fill the shape. Now select Red color. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Outline option to change the line style. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Fill to choose the fill style. Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag to draw the oval shape. Okay, now let us find out the use of Color Picker tool. Color Picker tool is a very useful tool to copy a color from an existing object and filling it into any other object. Let us learn how to use it. Draw the objects as shown in the given figure. Color the rectangle only using the Fill with Color tool. Select the Color Picker tool in the Tools group. Click on the rectangle object to copy the color. Move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. The picked color is set as foreground color. Use of this color to fill any shape using Fill with Color tool. You can use Edit Colors to pick a new color. Mixing colors in MS Paint lets you choose the exact color that you want to use. The Eraser tool is used to erase a part of a drawing. It replaces the erased part with the background color. Let me tell you the steps of using Select tool. The Select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. The Select button is present in the Image group on the Home tab. Clicking this button opens a drop-down menu. It provides two types of selection shape tools. Rectangular Selection tool. This tool selects the object in a rectangular form. Draw the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure. Click on the Rectangular Selection tool. To select the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the mouse button and drag around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Let us have a quick quiz. Which group do you want to choose to select any shape in Paint? Freeform Selection tool. The freeform selection tool is used to select the part of an image in an irregular shape. We can even drag the selected portion and place it on another location. Select the freeform selection tool. Place the pointer on the drawing area. Select the object. Example, nose of the Mickey Mouse. By holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object nose. Drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure. Now, click on the undo button and observe the change. Note, invert selection tool is used to select the area or the object which has not been selected in the students, let us learn about moving an object. Draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture as shown in the figure. Click on Cut option in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Note, once the drawing is made, you can make some changes in it, such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Let me tell you the steps of using Paste option. Click on Paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Students, the selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now we shall talk about copying an object. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing by using the Select tool. Select the Copy command on the Home tab. Click on Paste command in the clipboard group on the Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can move the picture to any location. Okay, if you want to clear all the objects from the drawing area, click on Select. Select all, then let us learn how to draw different shapes. We can draw different shapes in Paint. The ready-made shapes are available in the Shapes group at Ribbon. Select any shape. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. We can change the appearance of the ready-made shapes as per our need. Click on Outline option and change the outline style. If outline is not required, select No Outline in the Outline option. Click on Size option to change the line size, thickness of the outline. Click on Color 1 option to change the outline color and Color 2 to fill the shape. If you do not want to fill color in a shape, select Fill option and then select No Fill sub option from it. Alright students, if you want to reverse the last actions that you have performed, Undo command or Ctrl plus Z is used. Redo command is used to reverse the effect of Undo command, or we can also use Ctrl plus Y. Let us understand how to flip the picture. Flip means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. Click on the Select tool and select the picture. Click on the Rotate option in the Image group on the Home tab. A list of options will be displayed for changing the rotation or flipping. Select the desired option and the same effect will be applied on that picture. Students, let us have a quick view. You can press Ctrl plus R to add ruler to line up. We shall learn resizing or skewing the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally. Select the drawing by covering its boundary using the Select tool. Select the Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to your requirement. Click on OK. Now let's know more. If you want to focus on a particular part of a drawing, you can use Crop tool present in the image group on the Home tab. Using this tool, you can crop or cut the image and resize it as required. Now let's know more. To draw any painting using the Grid Lines option, click on the View tab and select the Grid Lines checkbox in the Show or Hide. Alright children, let us talk about using Text tool. Click on the Home tab. Select the Text tool in the Tools group. Move the pointer to the drawing area and click on it. A rectangle appears with the cursor inside it. The Text Tools tab appears with various commands to change the font face, font style and size. Type the text in it as shown in the figure. In the Colors group, click on Color 1 and then choose the desired color for the text. Click on the Bold button to make the text bold. Similarly, select Italic button to give italic effect. Underline button to underline the text and Strike Through button to strike a line through the text. Note, remember, once the text is entered using the Text tool, the text cannot be re-edited. Students, note the important information that to work faster in MS Paint, the most often used commands can be placed on the Quick Access toolbar, which is located above the ribbon. To add a command on the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on the command and select Add to Quick Access toolbar option. By default, there are Save, Undo and Redo options present in the Quick Access toolbar. You can add the commonly used commands on this bar. Okay, students, let us find out opaque and transparent. Opaque. In MS Paint, by default, the background color of a text box is transparent. To change the background color of the text box, follow these steps. Choose the text box whose color you want to change. Click on the opaque button present in the background group. Select the Color 2 button from the Colors group and select the desired background color. You will observe that the selected color will reflect in your text box. Transparent. On selecting the transparent option, only the text color will be the same in the text box as selected in Color 1 box. The background color of the text box will be transparent. Choose the text box where you want to apply the transparent effect. Select the transparent option from the background group. You will observe that the text will have the selected color, but the background color of the text box remains same as that of the drawing screen. Okay students, let us see how to zoom the picture. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Draw a smiling face. Click on Zoom In option present on the View tab to increase the view size. Select the Zoom Out option on the View tab to decrease the view size. Click on Zoom to 100% tool. The picture will come back to normal size. Students, you can also increase or decrease the view size of the picture through the magnifier tool on the Home tab. The view size of the picture can be decreased or increased by clicking on the Decrease Zoom Level and Increase Zoom Level sliders respectively on the Zoom Slider bar, which is placed on the status bar. Let us find out how to set a drawing as a desktop background. Once you have created a drawing in MS Paint, you can set it as a desktop background. Follow the given steps. Click on the Paint button. Select the Set as Desktop Background option from the drop-down list. Note, if you have not saved the file, MS Paint will ask you to save it first. Select any one of the three options: Fill, tile or center from the Set as desktop background panel. Steps of creating a new drawing. To create a new drawing, click on Paint button and select New option. A new blank drawing area appears about saving a drawing. It is important to save your drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, we can reuse it anytime. Click on the Paint button. Select Save option from the drop-down menu. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click on Save button. The file will be saved. Now, click on Close button to close the Paint application. Students, the shortcut keys to create a new file, open an old file, and save a file are Ctrl+N, Ctrl+O, and Ctrl+S respectively. To close the Paint program, you can also press Alt+F4 key combination. Let me tell you the steps of opening an old drawing. If you want to work on any old drawing that you have saved, the first step will be to open that file. Click on Paint button and select Open option. Select the file name that you want to open from the list of files or type the file name in the File Name box. Click on Open button. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Paint is a graphics program to draw pictures and paint them with different colors. We can use Paint to view and edit the scanned pictures. Color Picker tool is used to copy color from one object to another. Rectangular Selection tool and Freeform Selection tool is used to select any object or part of an object. A picture can be rotated horizontally and vertically by some degrees of an angle. Zoom the new size of the object. Alt+F4 key combination is used to close the Paint program.